Good morning, guys. It's day 4 here in Guatemala, and sorry for the mistake yesterday. I put day 2 in the description, and it was actually day 3. But just woke up here. I had some breakfast, and I'm going to study my watchtower for the meeting today at 10, and that'll be fun. And I don't really know what I'm doing today. So yeah, anyway, so if you liked the vlog yesterday, I'll be trying to do those weekly, but they take forever to upload, and they have really, really bad Wi-Fi here. So, anyways, I'll call sometime today, and hope all is well. The iron still doesn't work, so guess who has to go to the meeting with wrinkled clothes? Yeah, I do. We made it here to the hall, and it's about a... How long would you say, Willis?
Walk?
Yeah.
15 minutes, give or take.
15-minute walk with exhaust fumes everywhere.
That's just the country.
Very high ultraviolet rays. And people. So, it's fun. There we are. Salón de Reino.
Worked with the missionaries in Honduras, and they're in Danlí, close to the Nicaraguan border, very rural. And so I had the opportunity to work with them. Nice. That was nice. And I had the chance to stay in the missionary home when there was a missionary home. Now they're moved into the community. Yes. That's really an experience. That, you know, they're becoming more like special pioneers as opposed to missionaries.
Yes. A good friend of ours went back to Mexico and said his life has changed, so took his whole family back. Now their call, they had to actually carry their plastic chairs in every meeting. It was somebody's porch.
Live entertainment here at Guatemala. Really cool.
Like the opposite way, it's basically the opposite way.
What? They're still there. They're not very good singers. More people playing.
Is that some special kind of, is it weighted somehow, I wonder?
Just the ball. It's like 4 or 5 pounds.
Really?
So now I'm with the Eisenhower family, and they're getting ice cream after lunch. But I'm not getting anything because I'm so full. But good thing there aren't any hippies here, huh?
I feel really weird just sitting in here.
It's fine with me I don't care how long it takes because there's so much brake grime on the wheels and all over behind the front and back tires, brake dust.
Really? They're doing a good job.
It's Lauren.
I'm going to take a nap. Oh, whoops.
Motorcycle rides with Andy. Let's have some fun!
We're not going to go up there today, we'll go another time.
Okay. lot of speed bumps in Guatemala. Kind of scary when you're going like 45 miles an hour over them. Andy slows down though. Pretty sure you can't even hear me now. All this wind. Solo la. Same people. Bad spot though. What are they doing? Just twirling around a hula hoop? Yeah. That's entertainment?
That's good.
I'm sure it takes some level of skill. In the most non-sarcastic kind of way ever. El Mercado! I sound like such a tourist.
It's empty now. It's all shut down.
So dirty.
So this is Main Street.
Say hello to the people back home.
That's our Central Park.
Oh yeah? I remember seeing that coming in. I think I remember seeing it.
It's our library.
Library? Look at that view. Like a soccer field? Could be. A really small one.
Cobblestone roads.
I'm not sure how great the footage is gonna be, but we're trying. Now we're at, what's this called?
It's the,
You said it was called something.
I just said the lagoon.
Lagoon?
The way it's shaped.
That's nice. So pretty here. One more view for you guys. Simply beautiful. Eating a sundae with Andy and Natalie. It's really good. Good job, Natalie.
Yay!
It's really amazing, even though you are amazing.
What were you going to say initially?
Nothing. Nothing that you need to know about.
Hi, Mama, what you doing? What happened? What happened? Yeah? What else? Really? What else did you do? What happened? What's your name? Yeah, Mao. What you doing? Yeah. You love Jehovah? You love Jehovah? Can you say hello? Can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye?
No.
What much? Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?
So it's about 8 o'clock here in Guatemala, and Andy and I are playing soccer. And by Andy and I are playing soccer, I mean Andy's playing soccer because I am not really good at soccer. And my brother told me there's a big possibility of me getting hit in the face. So I'm going to try to reduce any injury that I can. So Andy is playing now, and he's doing a great job. I'm not doing anything. So we're here playing soccer with Andy, but he's really playing. I'm not doing anything because I'm not good at this. And he's telling me that these people are animals, so I'm not going to risk any injury here. Can't afford it. But he's pulling through. But these brothers are tough. They know what they're doing, so. And it's chilly outside, so. This is my friend Marlene. She visits the hall sometimes and she's really.
Actually, I'm supporting English.
You're supporting English?
Yes, I'm in English.
That's great. She's supporting English, so she's really cool and she's a great singer. I was playing guitar with her yesterday.
I'm not a great singer. That's not true at all.
It's not true? Okay, she says not, but I think it is true. So, anyways, say hi to the folks at home.
Hey, nice to meet you guys. See you.
I
Come
guess
to Guatemala, please.
Yeah.
He's going to give like a good report.
A good report, yeah.
Guatemala.
We are.
You guys.
Excellent. Thank you. It's good to see you.
We're going to keep him.
Yeah, they're gonna keep me. See ya. I've been locked outside of my own place of sleeping for tonight. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're not answering the door, so. Oh well. I have made it back inside. I had some dinner, and it turns out that Whites are having some guests over, so I have been kicked out of my room. But the good news is I have been put in the room with the best Wi-Fi strength, so hopefully I can edit the vlog and upload it way faster than I did yesterday. But chances are it's probably going to be like another 2-hour wait. But anyways, fun day today. Hope everyone else is well back in Georgia. I miss everyone who's watching the vlog, who I believe is more than my parents now. So anyways, tomorrow holds another exciting day of service. So good night, everyone.